US30 this week has risen in value. We can see the price started with this small bearish candle on a Monday. Then on a Tuesday, the price formed this bullish breakout, going above 42,289, and that bullish breakout has continued to rise in value, where the price has on a Wednesday formed 3 bullish breakouts. We can see here the levels that the price has made a breakout, and then on a Thursday, the price formed this indecision candle. With these 2 candles formation, it is usually meaning that the price will continue to rise in value in the direction of this momentum. That was a bullish, where the price has formed this bullish candle on a Friday, and it has reached 44163.53, a resistance level. This is something that I have traded yesterday, and my take profit was here at 44163 as a target. This is also shared inside the Telegram group with the traders on the daily basis. Now the weekly time frame has formed this strong bullish engulfing candle. We can see that, which is currently telling me that the price is trying to go even further up, where the next target will be around 44,000. We can see that, and then all the levels above that. The monthly time frame is currently a bullish one, which is normal after these several bullish candles that has been formed this week, but we can see that we have just started this month, so several weeks is still to go for this month, so anything can happen, but currently it is a bullish candle formation. On the weekly time frame, what I can see is very important that I can see the price forming next week another bullish candle, not going below 43,000, which is a very important support level currently for the price, and we can see that on the daily time frame, where 43,000 is very important, and also 43,600, 43,200. We can see that, so it's very important for the price to stay above. And currently what I can see is this confluence of support for the price, where I have this uptrend channel, trend line acting as a support, and I have this horizontal line acting as a support, which will hold the price from falling further down. So I'm expecting for the price to go higher, and that means going above 44,163 after the price formed this bullish breakout. And that is especially to watch on the 4-hour time frame, for example, these dotted lines, which is a very important. So after the price formed this bullish breakout above this area, we can see that I have shared this information with the traders, where the target was here, the next supply zone. This is the resistance. So with the profit target, this was a successful trade yesterday. So if the price stays above, this will be a very good information. And we can see that currently we have a bearish pin bar, where the price could go down to 43,905, acting as a support, and then continue to rise in value. But this could also be a bearish breakout to the downside, which will also trigger to sell off, at least reaching here as the first support level at 43,794. What will happen on a Monday, especially to watch around this area, especially this one, if the price makes a bullish breakout above 44,163, this will be a trigger that the price will trying to reach higher price levels, which will be 44,490 as this next resistance level. So each day I share the details with traders inside Telegram group. The Telegram group will be available for all traders who would like to join. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.